6:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Plymouth Meeting, or 8 miles northwest of Philadelphia, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. 10 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roof. Possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, East Norton, Conshohocken, Ambler, Jenkintown, Manly, Blackledge, Forest Park, Plymouth Meeting, Germantown, Bryn Mawr, Chestnut Hill, West Conshohocken, Penn Wynne, Fort Washington, Blue Bell, Glenside, Flourtown, Spring House, and Ardmore. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 332 and 340. Northeast extension 3 miles. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 330 and 339. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 15 and 19. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the